meeting with me today. I'd like to learn more about how you approach parent-teacher conference, including how you prepare, communicate with parents, and support students. Let's start with your experience in handling this meeting.
My first question, ma'am, is how do you prepare for parent-teacher conference?
Okay, so parent and teacher conference is very important, no? Especially for those students with problems in school. So this is a very important event. And that's why it needs a lot of preparation. So first is, of course, since we'll be having the meeting in the classroom, we need to prepare the classroom. So ensuring that the parents are comfortable while staying or while having the meeting. At the same time, the agenda of the meeting also. So it's very important for teachers to prepare all the needed agenda or the needed records, papers, and other necessary things to be prepared.
Is how do you ensure parents feel comfortable and welcome during the conference?
Okay, as I said earlier, that it's very important for parents to be comfortable with so that they will be able to feel at ease also. So first is, as I've said, the environment. Then make sure also that they are welcomed by, for as teachers, we need to be approachable. So letting the parents feel that they are very much welcome inside the classroom. So for for me, during the meeting preparation, I posted or I have prepared also like a presentation sa TV welcoming them, the parents, welcome to grade 9 Cherry or welcome to the classroom. So and then with warm smile and then assuring the parents that they are very much welcome, and then I am willing to entertain their questions. Also, it is normal during PTA meeting na dili sa tanang panahon nga mabutan ng mga parents. So, oftentimes, there were some parents na early birds na sayo silang maabot. So, while waiting for the others na maabot sila, kay dili man makorom kung dili kaabot o paano. So, what I did is, makikistorya sa ko nila, if ever na ay problem, nila kang kuan ko nila, sana, telling them what is the status of their children, ilang performance din sa school. Then, na po mo abot nga parents, so ato na po dito sana makikistorya. So at least ana-ana nga paagi ba, so makapil na ni sila nga di welcome na sila. So dili na kayo nga palingkuron na diha ng mga parents diha nga mag-serious lang putok-putok na way makikistorya nila. Ano na po yung sahay pod nga for them also to pwede ko na sila pasalidaan sa tanin ng TV or kanang-kadaan sila pa nga na sila lingaw sa classroom or waiting na makorom ang kuan.
My third question is, have you ever had a challenging conference? How did you handle it, and what did you learn from the experience?
I think so far ako kay the experience sa binana. But there was an instance, but it's not PTA meeting, where we had parent na nagreklamo about sa iyahang bata. Pero dili ako ang nagreklamo. So there is another teacher na nagreklamo na mutong as advisor dili jud ka na ako nga nakaingon kanang ingon nga DSWD kanwa nga nabitaw nga feel nga nainit ang parent nainit ang parent ba nga murag na spoke siya or na siya nga ipa DSWD ko no. So that was a challenge for me as advisor kay on that part kay mura nahubog nabingka ka or na sandwich ka between the teacher and the parents. So asa man kumulaban, asa man yung ano. So mo usa sa mga challenging part nga kuan ako nga I was able to kanang sana kung istoryahan o maayo gi-explainan o murag am-aman ang parent nga mokalma siya nga aron lang jud dili mo dako ang problema. So ipatawag, I was able to call up also the concerned teacher nga sila nag-istorya and with other teachers as katang witness and kanang luckily na sulbad ra ang problema, so wala na kayo. So far mo nagmaro to ka na most challenging work, and I am thankful nga ang mga parents nga sa akong mga students. I am teaching actually for more than 20 years now, and wala pa ko kayo pa ako inana ka grabe. So musabot ko ng mga teachers, especially kanang patawag ang mga parents for those mapugoy bitong mga estudyante. So para po sila kasabot po sila kay ba Mr. Malay standing sila ang kuan. Sila ang kuan, di ba sila ro masuko nga. Unlike other parents bitaw nga masuko nga nung nga grado sa anak nang gihagbong nimo ang anak. So far wa pa ko kaagi na. Kay explain na naman na sila as long as teacher kung naa lang jud ka na importantehan jud nga dapat naa ka is the class record nga naa jud kay record sa tanan nga performance as evidence. So once makakita na ang mga parents ana attendance sa pana, makaingon sila nga ay o day na. So makasabot sila nga no ilang student or atoan.
My last question is, what are your goals during these meetings?
Okay, so teachers and parents conference is or meeting is very important. So every quarter that there should be kanang meeting, PTA meeting. But aside from that meetings, for those students with problems also, so you can also call up the parents. But the main goal of conducting PTA meeting or conference is of course, number one is to give feedback to the parents. So it's just like reporting i-report mo sa mga ginikanan kung unsa na ang status or unsa standing and performance sa ilahang mga students. Okay. So aside from that, sa mo ang meeting po kasagaran akong ikuan. For example, it's lucky na you're asking me that because tomorrow we'll be having our PTA meeting. Then the agenda is giving of cards. Diba? So that is the outputs or the performance of the students. So makita nimo diha kung sa ang maayo bang performance ang ilang mga anak or di. Then another also is the updating of projects like on other contributions. Kay whether we like it or not, dili jud ta makaingon nga free education. Kay kung dili pod mo kung may contribution pod bisan pag public school ta dili pod mulagan, dili pod function ang eskwelahan kay dili man sana dili mada kung DepEd ra jud mo provide. So mo to man nag-need jud mi sa operations sa parents. And also we are planning to have this kadang covered court puhon hopefully. So covered court, so that's why we are tapping and then we are asking the support of the parents para po kay ma-realize na ang covered court, it's not only the students ang ilanghang anak makapahimos, but also Inabanga High School is one of the itawag na evacuation centers, especially during calamities. So Inabanga people from the near the sea or kanang so ano na sila dili. So mo to nga it's very important pud nga pasabton pud sila. So pasabot mo na nga mga parents once makasabot sila, then they will be supporting also the band. Then another is katong naay mga problema ng mga estudyante, so kung buhaton na is ipaawahi o pauli itong mga parents. Yan na sa kay aron importante jud nga istorya jud sa mga istorya jud mi. Then mo na siya usa sa goal nga magpatawag ta og kanang meeting. And at the same time kay maka-interview po ta sa parents. For example, ang mga behavior sa ilang mga anak is dili maayo or na so batasan nila, so makapangutan naman ta ngano man na. So they maka-explain sa mga nganing. So motong as teacher makasabot na pud mi mo danay nga ni bataa kay naa dinay pinagdadaanan no na danay kuan Wow, so kamo nag-agi naman yung mga bataan yung under mo na ni sila. And so far, way problema, mapuutan ni sila. From, di ba Mark?
Yes, ma'am.
Grade 7 daw no? First year, no? Yung mga estudyante, ang laki din mga buutan, sabi sila ng mga bata. So, maor naman pinali ko.
That's all, ma'am. Thank you for your time, and we have learning about parents-teacher conference.
It's my pleasure.
Sige, ma'am.